Sa video na to, tuturuan kita on how you can make your first date a very good one. So I'm Joms and I help men conquer the fear of rejection by mastering confidence. And ang topic natin dito is ano yung mga tips in order for you to transform your first date experience to something amazing. Na hindi lang ikaw yung nag-enjoy, pati yung girl mo mag-e-enjoy din. So, ano ba yung mga signs na kailangan mo tong tips ko na to? Number 1 is nervyoso ka. So, if you are getting nervous or getting anxious about your upcoming date, then you might want to get some 2 or 3 tips dito sa video na to. Number 2, if ayaw mo ng awkward silences sa date nyo, yung tipong wala ka nang matapik, wala ka nang matanong, pati siya hindi kanya matanong pabalik. And number 3 is ayaw mo ng lack of connection dun sa date. Because ang purpose ng date natin is to see if meron ba kayong connection o hindi. Hindi mo magagawa yon kung nininervyos ka at wala kang matanong at wala kang matapik. So, ang negative impacts nito kapag hindi ka ready sa first date nyo is number 1 is baka hindi na kayo magkaroon ng second date. Because again, this is a test if may connection kayo kaya hindi. So kapag naramdaman ni girl na walang connection between the two of you, so baka hindi na siya mag-aya ng second date. Number 2 is you'll miss opportunities to connect deeply. So again, dates are getting to know. Ayan na yung getting to know stage nyo. So ibig sabihin, you need to connect with them. Hindi lang yung mga surface level questions. Kailangan mo kilalanin yung tao, kailangan mo kilalanin yung girl if perfect fit ba siya sa'yo. Number 3 is your confidence may take a hit. So, every bad date, syempre, merong toll yan sa isip mo. Na baka hindi naman talaga ako magaling, baka hindi naman talaga ako pogi, baka nabaitan lang siya sa akin. So, ayaw naman natin mangyari sa'yo yun. Ayaw naman natin na magkaroon ka ng negative self-talk. That's why, important itong mga tips na to in order for us to enhance your dating skills. So, ang benefits nito is number 1, is you'll feel more ease on dates. So, hindi ka kakabahan, you can always have the mojo o tinatawag nating confidence when showing up on a date. So, number 2, you'll create a lasting impression. Again, first impression, kailangan mahalaga. Kailangan magbihis ka. Kailangan pumorma ka naman or mag-take effort ka naman sa sarili mo. And number 3, you'll foster a deeper connection. Ibig sabihin, you'll connect more to her. So, mas may gauge mo kung fit ba kayo o hindi. So, ang mabibigay ko sa inyo tip is number 1, make sure na maganda yung base nyo. So, dapat kompleto with maganda yung suot. Mas okay sa akin, I'll always wear something na may collar. Polo shirt, polo, or long sleeves. Number 2 is always wear a perfume. So, with that one, kapag naamoy ka niya is mababangon siya sa'yo. Siyempre, sino bang may gusto sa taong mabaho? Di ba? Wala naman. And also, perfume, proven by science, is malakas yung memory, yung memory saving. Yung kapag naamoy nila, ay putya, amoy ito ni Joms. So, madali nilang matatandaan yun. Madali ka nilang ma-associate dun sa pabangon na yun. And number 3 is communication skills. Now, ito sa communication skills, ang kailangan mo lang naman gawin is be interested rather than be interesting. So, instead of you talking about yourself, make her talk about herself. So, during date, pwede mong itanong, ano yung work niya? So, ano yung work niya? What do you do? Ganyan, sasabihin niya. Kunwari, for example, accountant ako sa isang IT company. And itatanungin mo naman is, outside of being accountant, what do you do for fun? Ano yung mga hobbies mo? So with that one, you can gauge kung match ba kayo ng hobbies, match ba kayo ng mga interests, ganyan. And also, wag naman kayo yung tanong lang ng tanong. Make sure you make a comment or make an opinion. For example, mahilig ako sabi niya, mahilig ako mag-painting. So make a comment. Pwede ka mag-comment, talaga ba? So ibig sabihin, magaling ka mag-imagine. Yung mga ganun. So, make a comment before you stack up questions. Kasi kung puro questions ka lang, magiging parang interview style. So, make sure every time na magtatanong ka at sumagot siya, make an statement, make an opinion, or make a comment, or pwede kang mag-flirt based sa sagot niya. So, with that one, make sure to implement at least one dun sa sinabi ko. And I'll assure you, your dates will increase yung chance na magkaroon pa kayo ng second date. So, yun lang. Let's go.